You having a great Thursday. Thanks so much for checking out your weather right here on the WSOC weather app. I'm meteorologist Tony Sadiku. After a quiet start to the day, it's going to turn more active by the afternoon, all thanks to a cold front watching to the west of us. It's going to be crossing the Appalachians and moving across our region, kicking up some active weather, some showers, thunderstorms, even some strong to severe storms. Also in the tropics, we're watching a newly formed tropical storm Barry, still expected to intensify into a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall over parts of Louisiana. Again, no direct impact for us, but we are watching some moisture that it's kicking up with southwesterly winds, and that's going to continue to enhance our rain chances in the days ahead. So even though we don't have a direct impact, we are going to be looking for better rain chances, not only today, but Friday, even into part of your weekend as well. So the main threats this afternoon, heavy rain, the top concern, also looking for lightning, damaging winds, certainly can't be ruled out, especially north of the Charlotte area. Live early warning downpour 9 before noon is quiet, but we are watching those downpours approaching the mountains. We'll continue to see those work their way in by 3, 4 o'clock. Notice those showers working their way to the foothills, the metro area by the time we get to the evening drive, then working their way south of town for the rest of this evening, as we should quiet things down gradually after sunset. Temperature wise, we should get about into the low 90s this afternoon. Nice mixture of sun and clouds. Of course, those downpours returning for your Friday weekend. Looks drier. High temperatures they'll continue to crank up into the low 90s with about a 20% rain chance into early next week. That's your forecast. Have a great day.